Ever wondered how hackers spy on phones using Kali Linux? This video is for educational purposes only. What you're about to see is a glimpse into the tools that operate in the shadows of our hyper-connected world. They say your phone is secure, a private vault for your thoughts and conversations. But what if that vault was built with a backdoor? Today we'll explore the architecture of control behind the illusion of digital freedom. Stay with me. This is important. First, let's talk about FlexiSpy. Marketed as parental control, it's actually a skeleton key for total access. It can activate microphones, intercept calls, and capture everything: emails, photos, social media messages. For a hacker, this isn't just data, it's a psychological profile and leverage. The weak point? Installation, usually needing a moment of carelessness or a single click. One mistake, and your digital life is no longer your own. The illusion of privacy shatters. FlexiSpy is popular for a reason. It's polished, subtle, and invasive. It logs every keystroke, tracks GPS, sets geofences, and monitors browsing history. It paints a detailed picture of a person's habits and movements. Running silently, it's nearly undetectable. Every tap and swipe is recorded. It's the perfect parasite, living off the host's data stream. SpyX Stealth Mode is its deadliest feature. After installation, it vanishes. No icon, no obvious process. It hooks into core device functions, siphoning data invisibly. Hackers access contacts, messages, even encrypted chats before encryption. It intercepts data at the source, making security measures irrelevant. The user believes in privacy, but SpyX turns their device into a two-way mirror. Trust in technology becomes the ultimate vulnerability. The Truth Spy is the modern wiretap, recording calls, logging messages, and building a social graph. It captures not just content, but metadata: who, when, and how often. This data reveals patterns and relationships. Hackers exploit trust, impersonate contacts, or manipulate targets. Every secret becomes a tool for social engineering. The Truth Spy hands over the blueprint to a person's life. Surveillance democratized. Hoverwatch is the silent observer, tracking your location with GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell towers, even when services are off. It takes screenshots, snaps photos, and monitors social media. Every action is archived, even disappearing messages and private chats. Privacy is an illusion. Hoverwatch sees everything. FlexiSpy is all about real-time monitoring and instant alerts. Set keywords, get notified instantly when they appear in texts or emails. Its data integrates with Kali Linux for deeper analysis. Hackers use FlexiSpy as an entry point, then escalate with custom scripts. Remote commands can lock, wipe, or hold the device hostage. FlexiSpy puts a hacker's hand on your digital world. FlexiSpy makes surveillance easy for anyone, no tech skills needed. Its clean interface hides powerful features: call logs, SMS, location, and social media monitoring. It even lists installed apps, revealing digital habits instantly. FlexiSpy normalizes invasive monitoring by lowering the bar. It's a reconnaissance tool disguised as a simple app. iKey Monitor is a keylogger, recording every keystroke, passwords, messages, search queries. It adds screenshots for context, capturing both sides of chat conversations. This creates a complete narrative of user activity. Encryption is bypassed. Intent is captured at the source. For hackers, it's not just data, it's dialogue and leverage. Heister Mobile's Draw is its one-time payment and disposable use. It's a fire-and-forget tool, often installed through a single malicious link. Features include stealth camera, GPS tracking, and message monitoring. Blunt but effective, ideal for short-term targeted surveillance. One purchase, full access. Mobile Tracker Free removes all barriers. It's free, powerful, and easy to use. Live screen viewing, remote control, call recording, and social media tracking rival paid apps. But your data is likely harvested by the creators. Surveillance is now democratized. When spying is free, everyone's a potential target. 10 tools, 10 ways your phone can betray you. The goal isn't to make you a hacker, but to show you how hackers think. Ignorance is vulnerability. Awareness is your best defense. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and avoid suspicious links or apps. Only install from official stores. Protecting your privacy starts with understanding the threats. Stay vigilant and fight for your digital security every day.